Sugar 1 cup. Water 1 cup. Stir until sugar dissolves and bring the water to a simmer. Lemon juice a half teaspoon. Mix well, set aside, and cool completely. Semolina 265 gram. Powdered sugar 50 gram. Desiccated coconut 30 gram. Ghee 70 gram. Warm milk 1 cup. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Mix this well to form a thick mixture and let it rest for 15 minutes. Pour in a greased baking dish. Spread evenly and arrange almonds on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Pour the cool sugar syrup on hot basbousa. Let it cool completely. Enjoy!